In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a subscription on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to offer exclusive content, build a membership community, or simply generate recurring revenue, setting up a subscription model with Squarespace can be a seamless process. Let's dive right in and get your subscription service up and running. First, you'll want to head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. Once you're on the login page, select the option to continue with Google. This method makes it really simple if you have your account linked, as it bypasses the need to type in your email and password. After you've logged in, the next step is to select your website from the list. If you're managing multiple sites, be sure to click on the one where you'd like to set up the subscription feature. This will take you to the dashboard for that specific site. Now that you're on the dashboard, look for the section labeled Content and Memberships. This is where you manage all content related features for your site, including subscriptions. Click on it and you'll find a list of various options for customizing what you offer to your site visitors. From there, you'll see a Create drop-down menu. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your site. Go ahead and click on that drop-down. You'll be presented with several options, but for today's purpose, we're going to focus on setting up a subscription. So click on Member Site. Once you've selected Member Site, you'll be prompted to enter a title for your member site. This is a crucial step, as the title is what your subscribers will see and associate with your offerings. Make sure it reflects the value and exclusivity that you're looking to provide. After entering your member site title, move on by clicking Continue. This will prompt Squarespace to guide you through a few more setup steps. One of the key decisions you'll make here is choosing a member site template. Templates provide a starting point with various designs optimized for showcasing content effectively. Take your time browsing the templates available and pick one that aligns well with your brand and the type of content you'll be offering. Once you've settled on a template, go ahead and select it, and you'll find yourself a step closer to launching your subscription service. The final step is clicking Edit, which will let you start customizing the page to suit your needs. Personalize it with your branding, content, and any specific features you want your subscribers to access. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a subscription on Squarespace. Remember, take your time exploring all the customization options Squarespace offers to ensure you provide a great experience for your subscribers. Thanks for watching, and happy building.